If you're a power user or a developer coming from Linux, the default macOS Finder has a major problem. It's too slow.
You have to constantly reach for your mouse or use awkward shortcuts like Command Down just to open a folder. Today, I'm going to show you how to fix this.
We are going to enable Lynx-like Navigation on your Mac. That means right arrow to go in, left arrow to go back. No mouse required. This concept comes from the classic text-based browser Lynx, and it's the gold standard for speed.
Now, you could do this in the terminal using DCommander. It works, but it's ugly. You lose image previews. You lose drag and drop. And let's be honest, we want speed and graphics.
That's where DCommander comes in. It's a modern dual-pane file manager that bridges the gap. Here is exactly how to set it up. Open DCommander, go to Preferences, and find the Navigation tab. Look for this checkbox, Lynx-like Navigation. Turn that on.
Now watch this. Up and down to select, right arrow to dive in, left arrow to jump back out.
Compare this to Finder. In DCommander, it's a fluid waterfall-style flow. You can drill down 5 levels deep in seconds without your hands ever leaving the keyboard.
But unlike the terminal, you aren't blind. Because this is a native Mac app, you can hit Spacebar to quick-look files instantly as you navigate. Here is a pro tip to fly even faster. Don't just scroll. Start typing the name of the folder you want, then hit right arrow immediately. Use the Tab key to switch between your source and destination panes. You can move files across your drive without touching the trackpad. This is the workflow macOS should have had by default. It gives you the raw speed of Linux with the beauty of a Mac. Stop wasting time dragging your mouse around. Switch to keyboard navigation and thank me later. Hit subscribe for more Mac power user tips. Try this out yourself. Grab DCommander from the link in the description.